Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol FUBO. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways, just to establish some context here. But very impressive movement on this one today. When you stop and think about the fact that at one point during the opening 30 minutes, the price was all the way down there, yet it was able to work its way all the way back up to that area right there. Any way you look at it, very, very impressive movement. But that does bring about the valid question of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? And I have no idea, but by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area, and that area is down here at 35.50. Why is 35.50 important? And I'm not saying at all this is what's going to actually happen, but just for explanation's sake, if the price were to come down to 35.50, behave in that manner, and then continue on down, what would you have at that point? You would quite literally have the price having gone right back to where it was. And I mean, not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true power, true strength, or anything like that. Now, to be fair, no price can just go straight up either. So maybe the price comes down here, behaves in this manner, but difference being then starts to work its way back upwards. What would you have in this situation? Well, now all of a sudden you'd have a set of lows right there. You'd have lows right there. And if you envision those as stair steps, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do, is it's going to make progress. And again, in this situation, quote unquote, progress being defined right there at that green line. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, keep a very close eye on that purple line up there, the very famous 50-period moving average. You can see it's already been an annoying level before. Current value of that is, we'll just call it at the $41 mark. So watch that closely. But all in all, anyway, look at it. Very impressive bounce. Not just a question of can the price build upon this momentum moving forward. Let's see what happens. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.